सौम्यानुशोचेतमधः भ्रात्रे परेताय विदुरुहेयः निर्यापितो येन सुहृत्स्वपूर्या अहं सपुत्रं समनुव्रतेन. O gentlemen, I simply lament for he, Dhritarashtra, rebelled against his brother after death. By him I was driven out of my own house, although I am a sincere well-wisher, because he accepted the line of action adopted by his own sons. So here, today Prabhuji has come. You all know him. His name is Patit Pavana Gaura Hari. Okay. He has come for some treatment, stomach problem, so he'll be there by Krishna's arrangement. I got some company for some time. Okay. So now, today's, I was thinking what to discuss. Sunday we can have some topic coming. Here the situation is, how does the devotee deal with reverses? So we will just discuss the examples till now, till the third canto in the Bhagavatam. You look at Vidura's situation, very, very difficult condition. He was insulted. Almost it became unbearable. Therefore Bhagavatam says he was driven out of the house. If you insult somebody like that, basically you're telling get out, correct? Where Duryodhana told, he was telling Dhritarashtra, get rid of this son for his own good. He was his brother of Dhritarashtra. And out of his well-wish, he was guiding him. Dhritarashtra never heard him. And always detached, he was still telling him, do this. Whenever he had a problem, he used to call Vidura. And Vidura was a great guide. And Vidura is Yamaraj. We all know he is the incarnation of Yamaraj. He knows what is good and bad. He knows what awaits if you don't follow. So with great affection and kindness, he was again requesting Dhritarashtra, get rid of this son. In fact, when Duryodhana was born itself, he made this request. Because very inauspicious omens came when he was born. And it was very, very unfortunate. Things were happening. So by those omens itself, we understood something is wrong. This boy is very inauspicious. In Kali Yuga, we see so many calamities, but because only Duryodhanas are born. Cannot follow. I go to colleges, I feel so sad. Cannot follow basic principles. Basic. Intoxication, woman hunting, gambling. Cannot follow even basics. And after that, the character becomes, that's why I feel so sad. The education institutions become slaughterhouses of character. Prabhupada says, how much care the parents take care of the child. Every second of his upbringing, so much well-being is there, so much good wish is there. And then we are forced to, we cannot say no. At a very young age, actually a child to 25 years, I should be there. You may not be saying anything after 15 years. It's good not to say, but I has to be there. Child still needs care. At 25 years, he has to be under watch. And isn't that the anxiety of the parents? What is happening? What kind of friends he is talking? What is he listening? Isn't it? And sometimes it is very unfortunate, and which is true 90% times. Many a times the child knows, I cannot go back and live in the same house. I am a different person now. He can't live in the same house because he knows he has totally changed now. He can't live. Because parents will not allow that kind of nightlife at home. They'll not allow. Sleeping at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, no parents will permit. And coming after drinking on the weekends, and which is true for 90% of the youngsters today. So unfortunate it is. So the Vidura could foresee a very difficult position which will come because of this son being born. The moment he was born, he said, get rid of him. And Dhritarashtra did not listen. But look at him, the Vidura, very detached, well-wisher, kept guiding him with the well-wish, went on and never listened. He protected Pandavas many times. We know the famous example of Lakshagriha, he protected. And then finally what happened? That the situation came of war about to start. And Vidura made a final attempt. Says, get rid of this son, he will destroy your family. Because anybody with common sense can foresee somebody is going to fight against the Lord. Because Pandavas are totally surrendered to the Lord. As good as fighting against the Lord. They're under total protection of the Lord. Nothing can happen to them. It's just like jumping into fire. Everything will be devastated. You could foresee this. So he said, now take an action. And what happened? Duryodhana heard that. And Duryodhana, when he heard that, he commented. What did he comment? He said, this son of the kept maidservant. It was a very, very bad words to use. Because Vidura was known as the son of maidservant, but was not treated like that. He was given a very respectful position in the palace. And Prabhupada says even Duryodhana was respectful to him actually, generally. But at this instant he lost control on himself. But he never spoke like this to him, Vidura, before. But now he lost control because he was too attached to his own power and position. And he made strong words to Dhritarashtra. To Vidura. He said, this son of the kept maidservant, ये दासी पुत्र, इसकी हिम्मत मेरी ऐसे बेइज्जती करने की, है ना? दुर्योधन बोलता है, इसको मार्केट में ले जाके ऐसा मारो कि खाली इसकी सांस रह जाए. मतलब मार के इसको पब्लिक में मारो और इसको मार दो. He made a statement like that. So when he made a statement like that, Yamaraja, Vidura is Yamaraj hai, he could have brought his Yamadanda and started a Tandav there only. But he did not do that. Why? Because he knew some plan Krishna is having. There was somebody asked this question to Prabhupada. So why did not Krishna kill all the Kauravas at the moment Draupadi was insulted? Krishna protected. Krishna ने द्रौपदी को बचाया था. साथ साथ कृष्ण जी अपना सुदर्शन से सबको उसी समय खत्म कर सकते थे. कुछ बड़ा प्लान था. ये सब बंदरों को इकट्ठा किया गया महाभारत में. And one time Krishna cut short all his work. अगर वह एक करके मारो, Krishna did. When Krishna was born, एक करके मारे. He killed. Whom did he kill? Start. First person to kill. Putana, Agasura, Bakasura, Trinavrata, all the list Krishna killed. But then Krishna said, oh my God, there's so many of them. Let me arrange one war and my devotee will kill. I don't have to lift my weapons. My devotee will kill. Let him win the glory. Krishna proved he is God for anybody doubtful by killing all those demons personally. But then he said, let my devotee kill. Let Arjuna do all that thing. And let him win the glory. And Krishna ने सारे बंदरों को इकट्ठा किया महाभारत में और एक टाइम में खाली कर दिया. We had to kill all those Kauravas. So Krishna could have taken action. Actually, it was enough for Krishna to take action at that moment. But Krishna sometimes waits little and he organizes and he plans. So it is his own wish. So similarly, Vidura also did not want to disturb the Lord's pastime. Otherwise, he was competent to do that. Bhagavata mentioned he could have lifted his bow. Instead of that, he just left it there and walked out. The point is now, look at it. He took that situation, a very difficult, humiliating situation, in a transcendental way. Oh, let me take shelter of Krishna. He could have lamented, just like we do. Na shochati na kanshati. We were discussing that a devotee does not live in the past. And like generally लोग क्या होता है, कोई चीज़ गुम गया, छूट गया, किसी ने कहीं अपमान किया, पूरी जिंदगी याद रहता. दिखाना है, मैं दिखाऊंगा उसको. विदुर ने ऐसा किया, चला गया. And imagine, he is in the palace, he is thrown out. राजमहल में से सड़क में फेंक दिया दुर्योधन ने उसको. No remorse. But at the same time, he is not Buddhu. He is seeing the reality. He did not ask for well-wish of Dhritarashtra, proper notice. उसका क्या शुभ हो सकता है? And शुभ भी करने जाएगा. He will make his life auspicious. Dhritarashtra, he did not ask Shubha for him. Now something more to tell about Dhritarashtra. Krishna, he came for peace offer. And he asked Dhritarashtra, after the peace offer was made, all the sages came and he requested Duryodhana to give up this plan. That's what he did. Even Krishna himself showed us Vishwarupa there. When they wanted to arrest him, Duryodhana and Karna had a plan to arrest Krishna, which is considerably uncivilized, because messenger in the Vedic culture, in the rules of Kshatriyas, is not arrested. But still they wanted to arrest him. They thought, isko arrest kar de ho gaye, Pandav to mar jayenge. War is over. Because Pandavas, like Krishna, was their life. But what did he do? Krishna showed a mini Vishwarupa. You want to arrest me? So then Dhritarashtra begged Krishna when he was showing Vishwarupa. That was not full like what shown to Arjuna, but partial. That can I see? Because I am blind. So Krishna gave him vision to see the Vishwarupa also. So Dhritarashtra saw Vishwarupa before Arjuna. And not only that, Gandhari requested Duryodhana, give up this battle. Everybody requested him, don't go for this. One by one they came to the palace, and Duryodhana used to listen and run away. Again when another sage will come, Narada will come, again they will call Duryodhana, again he will instruct him, again he will run away. He was like a restless child, crazy. Everybody tried to counsel him, don't do this, a huge war, because a great calamity will happen. And Arjuna's Gandiva, empowered by the Lord, he just has to ring his Gandiva, people will shake in fear. He is going to, havoc will happen. And Pandavas are so noble, they are asking for only 5 villages. Give it and forget it. They are noble people. They will be satisfied with that. Just do it. That is the Krishna's final offer. Give them 5 villages. They need a place to live. So finally he said, no, I'm not going to give. And then finally nothing happened. Krishna decided to get up and go. He counseled, so many sages counseled, nothing happened. And then when Krishna was leaving back to Virat after the peace offer, Dhritarashtra came running. And he said to Krishna that actually I'm sorry, I'm not able to do anything. So Krishna announces, look here is the king. And he's saying he cannot do anything. So Prabhupada's comments on that, I was just thinking about that. Aren't we also similar situation? We should never become. In fact, the similar situation also happens when Krishna sends Uddhava to meet Uddhava, I think. He comes to the palace of Dhritarashtra because Krishna comes to know the situation of the Kunti before this, much before this. And he sends Uddhava to Uddhava, is it Shridhara? Uddhava? Akrura only? Oh, Akrura comes to the palace and he is studying the situation. This is much before war. And he goes to meet Kunti. And Kunti starts crying because she was seeing day by day how she was only leaving, Bhagavatam says, to protect the children. Correct? Previously situation was different. This is one of the things which is banned in Kali Yuga. So it got actually banned by the government. British government, Prabhupada approved of this. Correct? Prabhupada said yes, not for Kali Yuga, the Sati system. Different age, different time, different situations. So now what happens is that she was living just to take care of the children. Her heart was difficult. And now at this moment, Akrura comes and he meets Kunti, and Kunti breaks down. They're trying to kill my children every day. I can't bear this. So she's seeing her crying, and Kunti belongs to their family. You understand this? She is actually married to Vasudeva, otherwise belongs to Yadava family. Correct? No? So he feels very upset. Just like, anybody, maybe daughter is married and the parents come to visit the child and the daughter is being tortured, the parents would get angry or not? He becomes very angry and he goes to directly meet Dhritarashtra. That's your responsibility to take care. What are you doing? Don't you know what reaction it will have? So he says, I know Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I know what my son is doing is wrong, but I am not able to control do anything about it. So their proper rights, this should not be our attitude. Just like in our life also, our senses can be controlled. It can be controlled. It's not that you can. Prabhupada says, a human being cannot say this. An animal can say, I cannot control my senses, and is valid. The human being cannot make such a statement as Dhritarashtra. And I know it's wrong, but I cannot do anything about it. This is not a statement by a human being. Only animal is justified to make such a statement. What do you say? Animal can say, I am helpless. A tiger, when I see a goat, I have to run. If you can talk to a tiger, I can't control myself. That's the life of an animal. Therefore, there is no karma for an animal, because there is no freedom. It's just gripped by the senses and dragged. A human being cannot make such a statement. Because why? Karma is there for human being. So he has the capacity to act or not act. He has a capacity of discrimination, and he has a freedom. True, the freedom will depend on which mode he is. If he is Sattva-guna, freedom is 100%. In Tamoguna, the freedom reduces. But still, he has freedom. In human form of life, he cannot make such a statement. Nobody can. So why do you are drinking? What to do? I am a drunkard. You cannot make a statement like that. You go to the वहाँ पहुँचे, कहाँ पहुँचे, कोर्ट में जज ने बोला मर्डर को क्या करूँ, बहुत गुस्सा आ गया था, नहीं हो सकता. No, you cannot make such a statement. Judge will say you are responsible for that activity and I am going to punish you. So animal, there is no responsibility because there is no freedom human being. So Dhritarashtra cannot make such a statement. So that exemplifies a man who is not controlling his mind and senses, isn't it? Typically personified a man who could not, even though he is counseled. Akrura is a very respectful personality, correct? And he is counseling him, why you are doing such a thing? You say, I know it's wrong, but I cannot do anything. Same thing Krishna certified at the end, before the war. Here is the king. He says he cannot make a decision. Then why you are a king? So we are also king of our mind and senses. You say you cannot make a decision? Then what kind of king you are? We are all king of our mind and senses, correct? We are king or not? We are in control. Human beings means control has been given. Now use this control to serve Krishna. No, I cannot serve Krishna. Senses have become very strong. You cannot make such a statement. It's not a valid, logically not valid statement. Correct? You are running away from your responsibility. The Dhritarashtra actually was running away from his responsibility. You should have made a decision. Duryodhana, the reasonable advice was given, you don't follow, I abandon you, you're not my child. Or I arrest you. He could have done anything. He was a king. He had the power. You have the power to control the senses. You say, I cannot control my senses. It's not a valid argument. Actually, something else I want to talk today, but is it fine? You cannot make such a statement. You cannot make. Enough experience of 80 lakh species have been given to us. And therefore, Vedanta is the only book which begins with therefore. Ataha. Huh? Atha. Ataha. Brahma Jigyasa. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Therefore, now have Brahma Jigyasa. Why therefore? Very interesting. How can a book begin with therefore? Book should end with therefore. The book begins with therefore because the person reading this book had 80 lakh species of experience. And now he is ready for Brahma Jigyasa. So ऐसा कोई नहीं बोल सकता, अरे मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, मैं इंद्रिय कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता. आप नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों? आपको 80 लाख योनि का एक्सपीरियंस है. अब आपको इंद्रिय वश करने का शक्ति है. करना है तो कर लो. शक्ति है. करेक्ट? Krishna will not give an advice which you cannot follow. So Shastra is saying now give up sense gratification, focus on absolute truth because you have the power to do that. Okay? I say 5 kilo uthao, but if you don't have power, why do you tell somebody? It's making fun of him, correct? So Krishna is not making fun when he says in the Bhagavad Gita, Prajahati yada khama sarva partha manogatan. Krishna is not making fun of you. Correct? Actually Krishna knows you have the power. Therefore he is asking, do it. We have the power. ये ही संस्पर्श जब होगा दुख यो न एवते आदि अंतवंत कौंतेय न ते श्रवते बुधा. Krishna is saying, ये ही संस्पर्श जब होगा, whatever enjoyment we get by senses contact with sense object, dukha yona vevate only gives pain. Adi antavanta kaunteya, such a pleasure has a beginning and end. Nateshu ramate buddha. The intelligent people should not delight in them. So Krishna is not making fun of us at that moment. इंद्रिय भोग कर रहे हो, तुम तो ये तो क्या है, ये तो गधे लोग करते हैं. कृष्णा हमारा मजाक नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि हमारे पास शक्ति है इसलिए कृष्णा बोल रहे हैं करो. हमारे पास शक्ति है इंद्रियों को वश में करने की, इसलिए बोल रहे हैं. जानवर को जाके ये बोलना एक्चुअली उसका मजाक करना है. वी कांट कम्युनिकेट टू एनिमल्स इवन इफ यू कुड. वो आप मजाक कर रहे हो उनका. यू कैन ही कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. बट ह्यूमन लाइफ इज वी कैन डू समथिंग, सो वी कैन. That a side issue. Come to the main issue, how Vidura tackled. So you look at Vidura, it was a very very बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है. उसी राज्य में रहे हैं, इतनी इज्जत हुआ है, इतने विद्वान हैं. हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे, नहीं वे डिस्कस सर्वते पूजते विद्वान. हाँ, व्हाट इज द श्लोक है? घर में गधे की भी पूजा होती है या पिताजी की पूजा होती है. एवरी हाउस द मेन मैन इज रेस्पेक्टेड. व्हाट इज द श्लोक है? याद है? आई नो, संस्कृत श्लोक बताओ, चाणक्य का. किसी को याद है? गृहे पूजते, लाइक दैट. एंड देन इन द सिटी अ प्रीस्ट इज देयर, ही इज रेस्पेक्टेड. करेक्ट? प्रभु इज रेस्पेक्टेड इन अ सिटी. सम विलेज, some temple is there, the priest will be respected within that village too. Next, the king is respected in the whole kingdom. But sarvate pujate vidwan. Vidwan is respected all over the world. So Vidura may be the son of a maid servant, but he's a vidwan. He deserves more respect than Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra can be respected in his kingdom, but Vidwan is respected throughout the world. And Vidura was a Vidwan, acknowledged Vidwan. So he deserves, is entitled to respect more than Dhritarashtra. राजा की इज्जत होती है राज्य के अंदर, विद्वान की इज्जत होती है पूरे विश्व में. ठीक है ना, ये कहावत है. तो दुर्योधन को, विदुरा को बेइज्जत करने का कोई हक नहीं है. वो तो धृतराष्ट्र से भी ज़्यादा सम्मान के योग्य है. करेक्ट? क्योंकि तो विद्वान है. विद्वान की पूजा देश में ही होती, पूरे विश्व में होती है. तो उसको बेइज्जत करने का उसको कोई हक नहीं था. ठीक है? बट ही इंसल्टेड हिम. वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड इज सेड. हाउ डिड विदुरा टेक इट? छोड़ो. डिटैच्ड. Detached. He saw the situation. Am I going to lift a weapon now? No, because Krishna has some plan. What should I do? Chalo, let me take shelter of Krishna. So you see a very, very adverse situation. He took some plan of the Lord.